guys, it's me again, Adele. How are you guys? Hope you are alright. Just put my moisturizer. As you can see, I already put my contact lens on because we're going out. I got problem. Yes guys, going out. Just finished work this morning. Had a sleep maybe 4 hours. And decided to have a walk today. Although it's windy, but it's not raining anyway, so better to have a walk, just to have a break, and then going back to work again later tonight. Yes, by the time you're going to watch it, guys, it's maybe it's already it's a different day anyways. Yes, that's it. How are you guys? Hope you're alright, keep safe. And yeah, now we're going to do makeup, like really simple, because we just have, just for a walk anyway, so we're not going too far. So my face primer. Hindi tayo mukhang tsaka kahit maglalakad lang na may makikita sa atin. Charot na yarang. It's been a while guys since the last time I got my makeup video, so yes, why not just make it get ready with you. Get ready. Kasi siya na kayo sa background guys na nasa restaurant tayo. Because our room is so small, so I don't have a space there to do my makeup. So just do it here. Although also because my things is in here, so that's why I'll do it here. Okay. Alright, so after that, guys, I'm going to use this satin liquid from Maybelline. I'm shaded SPF FES 13. So yeah, and it's on the shade Natural Ivory. And then, because it's a bit lighter guys, as you can see, let's combine it with also Maybelline and on Fit Me Maybelline. I'm on normal to oily skin, and I'm shade of, is it matte or less? Shade of 250. So let's combine it because this one is a bit dark. Okay. Combine yung bag. So we're not, we don't have a bare skin, so we have like boring skin. So this is my brush. I don't know the light is black. Guys, that the light is not that perfect because I didn't put the ring light on. This is just a quick get ready with me guys. Yeah, so that's it. Yes. And let's put some yeah, so guys, let's put some concealer. Hindi yan ang check niyo. Lagay ako ng ring light. Hindi ko rin makita sa sarili ko. May amputin na pala. Hindi ba? Okay. Lagay tayo ng loose powder. Bake it. Lagyan mo ng put the loose powder sa T-zone that you want to highlight. Okay? And so while it's setting, let's do our eyeshadow. Naglagay naman na ako ng guys. I already put foundation and primer earlier, so that's fine. So let's go with this. Sana nakikita niyo kulay. Medyo brown lang siya guys. Let's the is the natural, natural just brown. Okay. Right. And then let's put a little bit of foundation to concealer. You can use concealer also. I don't know what's that color, but let's use that here on the outer. Autumn already started here, guys, so and after that let's go the bit orangey, this one, because autumn is now carrot. Guys, wash out na ito. Wash out talaga. Let's take it off. Dito na dito. Dito. Yan. Ito yung medyo mataas mo. Lapan mo. have no size. Matang sa kilo. Yung tagibit na biya. But it's alright. Okay. Brace your viewing like what I said. Yung brush mo masyado din. Huwag hanapin ang wala. Yung masyadong wala para magkakot. Parang batay na yung dyan. Huwag masyadong makita din sa camera pero ganda na ba? Ganda na ba tayo, te? Sino mo hinigod tayo dyan? Dahil neto, ipag-contour tayo. Hindi masyado. Break na yung pag-contour ko. Pero kaya yun. Makakapulin niya. Break na lang. Ready? Here. Mag-mascara na ako guys. Wait lang. Ngayon guys, magdala tayo ng makeup. Makeup na tayo. Ito doon na natin. Medyo di ako extra lang. Dito ito nga ang baka lang din. Yan, hindi siya perfect. Pero okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, guys. Kaya tayo. Push it through na. Todo na ten. And then I'll use my favorite mascara, my 4D mascara from Unique. Okay guys. So yun na. And guys, then let's use a vice ganda as nail. Okay? So yun lang dapat. I bought it from Philippines, so people from the Philippines, people from the Philippines, yeah, you can find it, and you know, I'm on Whoops Kitty. Yeah, so that's it, guys. I think that's it, guys. Okay na ba yan? Feeling ko okay na siya. Hindi ako maglalagay ng highlighter kasi ano, maglalakad lang naman kami. Tapos pag yun ang pansin yung ano ko dyan, gray hair na. Yun guys. Hope you enjoy it. Take care. And then, yes guys, keep safe and have a nice day. See you on my next vlog. I don't know what it's going to be, but yes, happy to see you. Love to read all your messages. Give me a time to reply all of this because I'm quite busy, but yeah, I really do love your messages and comments, and hope you still continue supporting me, us, dudong. So, yes. Thanks you. Thank you guys. See you on my next one, and hope you like this look. Bye. And if you if you to our channel, please do subscribe. Hit the bell button, subscribe button, all notification for you to notify if you have a new messages, new videos. Ano pwede? Kagigising mo lang, no? Okay. Alright. Bye, guys. Keep safe, guys. Bye.